We have to see if the engine locked up. Gonna turn the engine, see if it's gonna turn. Size is I think it's a 22. Yeah. Oh shit. It's gone. Oh, yep. Done deal.
What's the next move?
Next move is new engine. No. This engine is gone because it went turned over. It's locked up. Look at that. I cannot turn it. Oh, nothing turned. Nope. That's gone.
That's all, folks.
And then you driving too fast?
I was driving like I was making a corner turn on Pearl Lakes in March.
Yeah, you suck water on this.
So it's over, huh?
You locked up the engine.
All right, man. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna talk to my insurance and everything.
Is that water?
Yeah.
Is that
Go
water?
on the other side. Go on the other side. We're checking it right now.
Yeah, because the water was only 2 feet. Like my engine was dry when I opened the hood. The engine was dry. The water was like 2 feet, and I'm probably over exaggerating.
I think the intake sucked water, and now it's frozen. I cannot even turn the engine.
Dang.
So your insurance, if you got full coverage, that might take over.
Oh, okay. I have full coverage for sure.
Yeah, you better talk to your insurance or take this to the shop if you have full coverage.